Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Today we will study one topic of grammar, and that the name of the topic is helping verbs and main verbs. What is the name of the topic, Aarti? Helping verbs and main verbs. When we speak, we make use of different sentences, and while making use of these different sentences, we make use of helping verbs and main verbs. I will tell you one sentence. See, I sing a song. In this sentence, Geeta, which word is verb sing a song?
I sing. Dance.
I sing a song. In this sentence, which word is verb
Sing.
sing? Okay, very good. Sing is a verb. Very good. Then, he is playing Kho-Kho. He is playing Kho-Kho. In this sentence, how many words are there?
2.
Please stand up. He is playing Kho-Kho in this sentence. 2 words are there. Which are these 2 words?
He is and playing.
Yes, is and playing. These are the 2 verbs in this sentence. Akshara, sit properly. Akshara, sit properly. Very good. Geeta, you are right. So, there are 2 verbs. Now, Samad, there are 2 verbs. Now I will read one more sentence and you have to tell me the verb from that sentence. We study very hard. We study very hard. In this sentence, which word is verb? Study. Very good, Samad. So, we study very hard. In this sentence, study is the single most verb. In some sentences, there are 2 verbs. In some sentences, there is only 1 verb. When there are 2 verbs, generally, one verb is main verb and other verb is helping verb. There are auxiliary verbs or helping verbs such as am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, can, could, may, might, must, will, would, shall, should. All these are examples of auxiliary verbs. When we speak, we make use of these auxiliary verbs or helping verbs to prepare sentences. Generally, when these auxiliary verbs are there, and along with these auxiliary verbs, when there is another verb, these auxiliary verbs, they are known as helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. In that other verb, it is known as main verb. Okay. See, who wants to tell a sentence? Aarti, do you want to tell us any sentence? Tell any sentence of your own.
See,
Tell a sentence, full sentence.
she is dancing.
She is dancing beautifully. She is dancing beautifully. Now tell me, Aarti, in this sentence, how many verbs are there?
Dancing.
Dancing is there, but how many verbs? 1 or 2?
2.
Is and dancing.
Is and dancing. Okay, 2 verbs are there. Is and dancing. So, is which type of verb?
Main.
Auxiliary verb. Is the auxiliary verb. And dancing,
Main.
that is a main verb. Dancing is a main verb. Very nice, Aarti. Please down. Sairi, do you want to tell your sentence?
She does not like me.
She does not like milk. So in this sentence, how many verbs are there, Saili?
2.
2 verbs are there. So which are those 2 verbs?
Does and like.
Doesn't like. So does, it is which type of verb?
Helping verb.
Helping verb. And like?
Main verb.
Very good, Saili. Nice example and answers are very good. Again, see, Ganesh, you want to tell a sentence? Tell a sentence. Tell a sentence.
She does not like the milk.
She does not like milk. So she told the same sentence.
Siley.
Siley told the same.
Their work homework.
They do their work honestly. Okay, they do their work honestly. They do their work honestly. Now in this sentence, do is the
Main.
main verb. Very good, Ganesh. Nice try, Ganesh. Okay. Karan, do you want to tell a sentence?
She is dancing beautifully.
She is dancing beautifully. So how many verbs are there?
2.
2 verbs. Which are they?
Auxiliary verb and main verb.
Okay. Which is the auxiliary verb?
Is
Is. It is the auxiliary verb. And main verb?
dancing.
Dancing. Okay. Nice try. Nice try. Do you want to tell a sentence?
I have a new bicycle.
I have a new bicycle. So which is the verb there?
Have.
Have. Which type?
Yum.
M means main. M means main. Okay, nice, nice. In short, it is M and longer main. So I have a bicycle in that sentence. Have is the main verb because there is no other verb. Then have, the helping verb, is working as main verb. So you are doing nicely. Okay. Again, who wants to tell a sentence? Shruti, do you want to tell a sentence?
He is a good singer.
He is a good singer. So in this sentence, which word is verb?
He is singing.
Is it is a verb and that is a main verb. That is the main verb. Who wants to tell a sentence? Again, who wants to tell a sentence? Sign yes.
I have a pen.
I have a pen. So in this sentence, which word is verb
Have.
and which type of?
Main.
It is a main verb. I have a pen in this sentence. Have is the main verb. Very good, Saini. Nice answer. Yes, Geeta.
They do not play.
They do not play. In this sentence, how many verbs are there?
Do.
Two verbs are there. Which are they?
Do and play.
Do and play. So do which type?
Helping verb.
Helping verb and play.
Main verb.
Nice. Very good, Geeta. Akshara, do you want to tell a sentence? Akshara, do you want to tell any sentence?
They do not play.
Is it same sentence or different? No, different. They do not play. They do not play. So in this sentence, how many verbs are there?
Do.
Two verbs. Which are they?
Do and play.
Do and play. Do is which type?
Helping.
Helping. Do is
verb.
helping verb and play.
Main verb.
Okay, very good, very good. Akshara, nice. Do you want to tell a sentence? Vidika, tell your sentence.
I have a pen.
I have a pen. So in this sentence, how many verbs are there?
One.
One verb. Which is that?
Have.
Which type?
Main.
Very good, Vidika. Nice answer. Okay, again, do you want to tell a sentence, Aarti?
I have finished my homework.
I have finished my homework. So how many verbs are there?
Have two. Have and finished.
Have and finished. Have is
Helping verb.
and finished.
Main verb.
Very good, nice sentence. Do you want to tell a sentence, Durga? Yes, Anushka? She is happy. Which sentence? She is happy. So how many verbs are there? One verb. Which is that? Is. She is happy. Is a verb. Which type? Yes. It is a main verb. Okay, nice try. Durga wants to tell a sentence, I think. Durga, do you want to tell a sentence? She is dancing. She is dancing. So how many verbs are there?
One.
Two. Which are they? Is and dancing. Is and dancing. Is helping verb. And dancing is?
Main verb.
Nice try, Durga. I think Shruti told a sentence. Do you want to tell one more sentence, Shruti? Do you want to tell one more sentence? Yes? Please stand up. Tell your sentence. Okay, you told one sentence. Okay, nice. Okay, here, Komal, do you want to tell a sentence?
I have a new bicycle.
I have a new bicycle. Okay. So I have a new bicycle. Here, I have a new bicycle. So here, I have which type of verb?
Main verb.
Main verb. Nandini, do you want to tell a sentence? They do not play. They do not play. So here, do is which type? Do is of which type? Yes. Do is helping verb. They do not play and play. Yes. Do play. Main verb. Play. Main verb. Okay. Good try. So I think yes, Siley.
They do their homework.
They do their.
Homework.
Okay. So how many verbs are there?
One.
They do their homework. Only one verb is there. Which is that? Do. Which type?
Main.
Okay, very good. So, thank you, students. Thank you for your participation. Thank you.
Thank you.